Subscribe, ngap, and share.
Yeah.
Subscribe, ngap, and share.
Jamaica now an easy place, you know. Jamaica is only place. Me see where anything you sell, then just put wipe on that and at that I name what they give. Now a man will sell cream, then put wipe on it. When name creamy. A man will sell jerk chicken, then just put wipe on it and call him jerky. A man will sell nuts, then just put wipe on it and call him nutsy. You get what I want? So me now, you know, me did one going on one little business one time. Me end up going there. Me used to sell puss. Now I know what they used to call me.
Pussy.
Happy lockdown Sunday, baby. The cat come on. Stay into the Ross yard. Or the like road too much.
Okay. If this is you. Ow!
Oh, well, you weren't kidding.
You better shut up.
Hang out panty. Hang out panty.
Something alright. Something alright, yeah.
Oh, jazz wash you. Hang out the black panty.
Why you do it, John Crow?
I want 50 panty, man. Hang out. I need to carry pick and go to school. Turn your back to the classroom, so I'm going to pick and rip that dog. Make the business so we teach us. You know, there's a wicked blood class somebody to pick. Why you have the business so long in your ass, man? Okay.
Yeah, but remember saying them saying the first place where the virus lodge in your throat.
So that's why we can't get it because we stuck with our throat strong.
Yeah, but that not stop you from catch it at the sperms now when you swallow it burn out the coronavirus. That's what the video says.
You mean you know I'm a woman?
What?
Them don't know how to. My woman. And that way I talk about me. I talk about your pussy. So I want to fuck it. So is either you going to tell me yes, you going to tell me no. Alright. Yeah, come check me then. Yeah.
Straight.
Alright.
You know what irritate me? When a nigga try to finger you. Boy, I'm grown this fuck. You better get down there.
Yeah, nice.
No, man. I want smell some, man. No, man. Go beard, man. Go beard. When you so beard.
One. Look panically by you too. Boy, broke boys don't deserve no pussy. Y'all want to even have $1,000 at your name. Just a black fair chain. You even have 1,000 to your name. And you tell me, say me broke. Hey girl, come buy me a bag of 30. Matter of fact, buy me a pound of well grow. You mean if you tell me, say me, there, cut down tree with my machete, work so hard, and you just want to come skin out and come get the whole of me money, and to me now I do it and say me broke up. Girl, buy me a bag of 30. Buy me 6,000. Buy me a bag of 30. Matter of fact, buy me a liquor one for 3-5. You know how be.
You know where them gone from yesterday, my number one gone.
What's up,
Number
guys?
one, we are number one. You just have come back from that number one.
I spent the night at a hotel. What's the
You
problem?
tell me say you have to spend the night on man. Me not first of all, me tell you don't go man at me in the first place. And you go behind my back and do that number one?
I'm 18. I'm a grown man. I'm pretty sure I could take care of myself.
So you tell me say you take my car key when me tell you don't touch, don't go man at me, and you go man at me and with the car.
What are you tripping for? I'm home now, right?
And you're home now, so that's it.
Ain't nothing wrong with me. I got home safe. What's the big problem? Why you... Listen, this freeze face shit is pissing
Number
me
one,
off.
from now on, you do everything in this by yourself. Put on my car key and don't touch my car key again.
Why not? You don't drive the car. It's just sitting there. So I could drive the car if I want to.